How to find a photo in higher resolution with Lenso.ai. Need to find a picture in the best possible quality? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple method to find high-resolution images using Lenso.ai. Lenso is an AI-powered reverse image search engine. Whether you're on your phone or desktop, you can use it to find images in various resolutions. Here's how. Go to Lenso.ai and upload the photo you want to search for. If needed, use the editing options to focus on the specific part of the image you're looking for. Explore the results. Select the duplicates category to find exact copies of your photo. You can also search other categories such as people, places, similar, and related. Click on a thumbnail to access the full version of the image. With Lenso, you don't need to visit multiple websites or deal with annoying pop-ups. Download images directly. Not finding a match? Try these tips. Filter by domain. Focus your search on specific websites, like Unsplash, where you can find free images in different resolutions. Sort results. Organize your results by newest, oldest, match quality, and more to find the best match. Lenso.ai makes detailed and effective image searches easy, helping you find higher resolution versions of any photo. If you're interested in additional features, such as saving results to CSV, organizing images in collections, or searching from your phone, check out our latest tutorial. For more tutorials, visit Lenso's YouTube channel and subscribe to never miss a video.